They are the winners. We do have 3 games up here, 2 t-shirts. Before I do this though, I know that a lot of people already left, but I'll be blasting this out to social media. But you know, from the bottom of my heart, thank you guys so much for coming out. I'm humbled and honored that you guys took the time to come and try, you know, kind of entrust in someone. You didn't know that if this was actually going to be a thing or how it was going to be. So I know that none of it's perfect, and we tried our best. Please let us know with the survey cards or email, you know, what you'd like to see, some other games that you'd like to see at the library. I'll definitely be buying games over the years or over the next months, but we will be doing this next year. I was planning on having a date set for this event. Manitou Springs, the city, they're going to be doing some renovations, office stuff on the side, and so they weren't able to get me to, I wasn't able to sign up and specify a date. But as soon as we are able to do that, we will post it on Facebook and everywhere else, so stay tuned on that. So we will be doing that. Who's coming back, 2019? All right. Awesome. And then the other thing too is we probably will be, I love vendors. I love Kickstarter, you know, people to come and demo. I think we will introduce a little bit of that more. That's one of my favorite things at other conventions. We just wanted to make sure that there was enough room for board game, right? That was the key, that was the core aspect of this the convention. I wanted to make sure that there was enough room. And we I think on Saturday, we almost maxed out. I was thinking maybe 40, maybe 50 more people if we were to consolidate, like make these, the tables organized a little bit better. But, you know, give me some feedback. Tell me what you think. We're always looking for that. So, without further ado.
Oh no, I have something I want to say.
Top Hat? Hey, let's give it up for Top Hat here. Hold on, before you do. I'd be remiss if I did not say, let's give it up for the red shirts, all the volunteers. Okay? My wonderful wife who allowed me to do this. Like, she was, the support that she gave was awesome. And, you know, of course, with 3 kids, a lot of time, commitment, and everything. So, but Smiley was there also, as well as other red shirts. But yeah, they put so much work, so much effort into this. A lot of hours, a lot of late nights. We got to unwrap a lot of fun games and punch the bits and all that. And yes, and then also my sister, Angela. Let's give it up for Angela. All of the social media posts, Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and the ones that you've been seeing live, Facebook Live, she's done all that. She did the website as well. So without her, this also would not have been, you know, a reality. So yeah, so thank you so much. And I could name everyone: the Wades, Eric Johnson, Doc, John, and Lainey Faye, and my mom right here. So give it up. All right.
And you talked way too long, otherwise I'd give a whole story on the back story, but you talked forever. I just wanted to, I think we should all applaud for Rose, because he's the reason.
All right, and this year too, I plan on having next year a few more prizes, and we're going to actually go out and stomp the pavement and ask for the local businesses and gift certificates and things like that. And I think there's been a lot of people even come up to me and say, hey, let me know next year, we're going to support you. So look for more prizes that way. So yeah, so without further ado, let's do this. Okay, we got 3 board games here, and we got 2 Grace t-shirts. All right, here we go. We'll start with the Architect. Okay, little Queen's Games, 2-player. And 30 to 45 minutes. Oh, here, I'm not gonna draw. Let's have somebody else draw. Oh. Yeah. And we should probably draw a couple, because there's gonna be a handful in here that aren't here right now. All right, here we go. Last 3 numbers. 2, 1, 1. 2, 1, 1. We're gonna do this fast. 2, 1, 1. All right. 2, 1, 0. Wow. Let's see what. 2, 1, 0. No. All right. 1, 5, 8. 1, 5, 8. Wow, a lot of people. It's kind of exciting. Okay. All right.
Odds are good.
Hey, can we get a runner?
Oh, I was going to say, I'll run. No, I'll run.
182. 182. 205. 205. 134.
Close enough.
181.
We'll say if you're within 1 or 2.
235.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Oh,
235. numbers all day. Awesome, thank you. Okay, here we go. Now we got another copy of Pyramid Poker. This is actually a really fun one.
Great poker game.
It's a great poker game. If you like it, it is a little different. Head to head, it's good stuff. All right, and first number 183. 183. No. 169.
Hey.
Hey! Awesome. Good job. Okay, last game here, Lords of Zidit. It is a re-implementation of Himalaya. Thank you.
Hey, you need a sommelier, right?
Yes, that's right. Himalaya. Okay, 192.
That's me.
Hey! All right, we got 2 more shirts
And
here.
immediately they put it up for sale.
Okay, we do have, and it's your choice. There's a large, it's a men's large and a men's double XL. So you can choose. 162. 162. 187. 201. No, 201. 153. You guys need to tell me what numbers you want. 151 from outside. 151. All right.
If you bought a shirt, that's hilarious.
Okay. Hey, you get another shirt there. Okay. All right, for the last shirt, 139. 139, 139. 195.
Yes.
There it is, too. All right, excellent. Yeah, you better check that statement. I don't know. I don't know. Look sports. All right, no, it's good. All right, thanks again, guys. We'll be here. Check the games in, please, by 6 o'clock. But you're absolutely welcome to stay here until 8. That's when we're gonna start. We're gonna move all the tables. We're gonna be out of here. So, yeah. So I think we have
I
a
still
question.
have games for sale over on the stage, so take a look if you're interested in buying a game cheap.
Games for sale. I think you. Yeah, make a deal. Make an offer.
And Jose, if it's you're sort of winding down and it's till 6, like you can play for a little bit. Like we don't have. It's not like strict quite at 6. Like, but
Yeah, just around 6-ish, like give or take like 50. Because what we need to do is we need to put plastic around all that and transfer and put them in the U-Haul.
Play the game on the floor.
So, and actually, here's the thing. Just come talk to me, and I'll see you guys playing actually. But because I don't necessarily need to be in the racks in order to do it. So I think we'll be okay. But definitely the hard stop is 8 o'clock tonight. So thank you again. Get your game on for a little bit more. All right. Thank you.